In this video, I'll show you how to use Disk Cleanup in Windows 11 to safely free up space using the built-in Disk Cleanup tool. We'll go step by step through what you can delete, which files are safe to remove, and where you can find even more space by using the System Files Cleanup option. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to run Disk Cleanup, clean up unnecessary files, and free up space on Windows 11 without installing any extra software. So let's get started. The fastest way to open Disk Cleanup in Windows 11 is to open the Start menu, type Disk Cleanup, and press Enter. Windows will scan your C drive for files that can be removed. At first you might notice that the amount of space you can recover is not huge. That's normal. We'll unlock more cleanup options later when we use the Cleanup System Files option. For now, let's look at what we can safely remove. Most of these categories are safe to delete because Windows has already grouped them as cleanup files. You can select items like downloaded program files, temporary internet files, delivery optimization files, and continue through the list. The one item I always check before deleting is the Recycle bin. Click Recycle bin, then select View Files. Go through the files one last time before removing them permanently. If you want a better overview, right-click and choose Details. You can sort by file type to quickly find things like photos or documents. Sorting by date can help you see when files were added. If you find something you want to keep, right-click the file and select Restore to recover it. Once you've checked everything, return to Disk Cleanup and continue with the cleanup. Now click OK to start removing the selected categories. Depending on your system, this can take a little while. When it's finished, the Disk Cleanup window will simply close automatically. Now open Disk Cleanup one more time, but this time we're going to unlock the deeper cleanup options. Click on Cleanup System Files. This runs Disk Cleanup with administrator privileges and allows Windows to scan additional system files that are not available in the normal cleanup mode. After the scan finishes, you'll notice some new categories have appeared. These are often where you can recover the most space, including Windows Update Cleanup, old device driver packages, and previous Windows installation files. These additional categories are also safe to clean, and this is where you'll often find the biggest space savings. Select the cleanup options you want to remove. Since we already checked the recycle bin in the previous step, you can leave that selected as well. Now click OK to start a full cleanup. This is usually where you'll see the biggest space savings, especially on systems that have been running for a long time. Just like before, the Disk Cleanup window will close automatically when Windows has finished removing the files. Disk Cleanup has now removed unnecessary files and freed up space on this Windows 11 PC. This is one of the built-in Windows tools you can use when your C drive is getting full. But Disk Cleanup is only the first step. Windows stores large files in several other places that can take up valuable storage, including storage settings, installed programs, and other system locations. In the next video, I'll show you how to find and remove even more files when your C drive is full, without downloading any extra software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.